Hey everyone, and welcome to the MarketPro Trading Channel. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or even ready to give up on trading, you are in the right spot, and trust me, I know exactly how you feel. I've been there myself. My name's Kevin Lloyd, and I'm the founder of MarketPro Trading. This channel is dedicated to helping new and struggling traders navigate the markets and trade consistently and profitably. Today, I want to share a little bit of my personal journey with you. The highs, the lows, and what finally got me off the hamster wheel of trading inconsistency. If you've been struggling with your trading, second guessing every decision, and watching your account go up and down with no clear direction, I want you to know you're not alone. And more importantly, there's a way out. Here's the thing. This video isn't just about my story. It's really about your story and how you can skip years of trial and error, shortcut the pain, and start trading with confidence through a structured process. Everything I teach here on YouTube and inside our training programs are based on real-world trading principles. At MarketPro Trading, our mission is simple. Give everyone the same tools, education, structure, and mindset that professional traders use. No hype, no gimmicks, just a process that works, process that you can trust. So check us out. Head over to MarketPro Trading and make sure you follow us right here where I drop free trader education videos every week. When I first started trading, I honestly thought I just needed a magic strategy, that one great setup. I'd see someone post a winning trade and I'd rush to copy it. If that didn't work, I'd move on to the next method, the next great indicator, the next hot stock everyone was talking about. The result? Total chaos. I was chasing everything that moved, overtrading, revenge trading, and taking setups I didn't even fully understand. Some days I felt like a genius when a trade worked out. Other days I'd feel horrible when I'd give it all back and then some. It felt like 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. Sound familiar? And here's the truth most people won't admit. I wasn't just losing money, I was losing confidence. I was trading without a plan, without consistency, and without any real idea how to measure progress. That's the exact cycle I see so many new traders get stuck in. And that's exactly why I built MarketPro Trading. So traders like you don't have to waste years stuck in that same frustration. If you're serious about trading, subscribe to the channel for fresh, real trading education content every single week. My big turning point came when I finally stopped chasing trades and started grading them. Instead of asking, will this trade make money? I started asking, does this trade fit into my process? I stopped focusing on my P&L, and that's when everything shifted. I built a repeatable system, how I prepared before the market opened, how I analyzed setups, how I entered and managed trades, and just as important, how I exited. I learned that trading isn't about finding that one big win. It's about showing up with consistency, day after day, and executing a plan that you can trust. Once I did that, the random chaos disappeared, the emotional roller coaster stopped, and my results started to even out and then even climb. Fast forward to today, my trading is consistent, much more relaxed, not because the market suddenly got easier, but because I treat trading like a business. Every trade I take has a reason. Every risk is managed, and every decision is backed by my process. I don't chase trades. I don't gamble. I wait for my setups, I execute my plan, and I review my performance. That discipline is what separates professional traders from everyone else. And that's exactly what we teach at MarketPro Trading. A professional grade framework where you know exactly what you're looking for, know how to measure it, and how to execute without hesitation. This is how real professional traders trade. And before you even ask, yes, you can do the same thing. Whether you're just starting out or you've been trading for years without the results you want, you don't have to do this alone. We are here to help you. That's why I built MarketPro Trading, to give you the process, the mentorship, and the community that I wish I had from day one. So if you're tired of second guessing yourself and ready to finally trade with confidence, head over to MarketPro Trading, the place where traders come to learn, grow, and build real consistency. While you're here, hit that like and subscribe button. Every week we drop pro-level trading lessons you can apply to your trading right away. Thanks for watching. I'm Kevin Lloyd, and I'll see you in the next video.